What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, it's October, and what October means here in Florida is stone crab season between now and May. So what we're gonna do today is show you exactly how to assemble a stone crab trap. That way you can catch your own stone crab. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is what we have right here. What I have here is a complete kit for stone crabs. It's 5 complete traps. It comes with everything that you need, with the floats, the weights, the rope. It's only missing a little wood piece that you can go down to the hardware store or wherever you get your lumber and get a little piece for the actual breakaway area. Other than that, it comes with absolutely everything you need. And in Florida, as a recreation angler, you're allowed to have 5 traps of your own to harvest these stone crabs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through step by step of how we take each one of these pieces and turn it into an assembled trap, as we got right over here to my left. So hang tight, and this is how we're going to do it. All right, so now I have 2 pieces. If you look real close, this one has, kind of an area that'll make it real simple for it to slide right into this section. So what you do is literally just take it, set it right up on top, kind of like that, right? Take your rubber mallet, and it's kind of like big boy Legos, hammer it down. So that's one side. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab the other side. It has a similar area, a similar notch. Literally slide it in just like this from the top, and like I said, grown man's Legos. Hammer that down so that piece is in. Then we're going to get to the final side, just right here, which has a similar 2 sides like this one. You're going to go ahead, line it in this notch that's over here. Got it there. This right here. Just in like that. Don't lose your rubber hammer. Then take this, literally hammer this down. So now you have the 4 sides of your stone crab trap assembled. Now let's put on the lid. So the lid itself, you can either set it either direction. It'll go this way or go this way. I kind of prefer to have it open this direction. Don't ask me why, it's just a matter of preference. Then what we're gonna go ahead and do is assemble the entrance area. All right, this is gonna be your entrance area for the stone crabs. Literally just slides right there. They're nice enough to supply you with all the stainless steel hardware that you need to actually put it together. So it comes with 5 little packs of stainless steel hardware. I can tell you I've already assembled a set of them before, and they give you more than you actually need, which is good. You never know, you might end up losing them. Take these, put them down right now. So you have a few different size screws in here. You have a longer shank, a shorter shank, and then you have 2 with a flare. So when you're trying to secure this top entrance, just grab the smaller shank screws. So you just need 4 of those, and we'll get this put in. Just take your trusty old drill. Literally that quick. What we're gonna do is put the latches on, or actually should I say the hinges on this one. These are the actual pieces that they give you to act like a hinge. You're gonna take the longer set screws. You're gonna take 4 of those. What you wanna do is you just wanna take the lid, just pull it back up. And these literally, now one of the things you wanna pay attention to is there's a larger hole on one side and a smaller hole on the other. This larger hole is for where you actually wanna start the screw. You take it and it spread it, and literally a piece of plastic just hooks on right on that area. Same thing for the other side. It's all set. All right, so what you're gonna do is take these latches, just slide them into this piece of plastic just like that. Kind of do it at the same time, otherwise one will pop out of the other. Not very hard though. Oop, see, I got it. Just kind of push it in. Kind of make sure that they look, you know, pretty centered. And you know, why you want to kind of have an even gap there is that way when you're opening this lid, it opens a little bit more even. Take your long shank screws, right in that gap, and let it eat. Literally how simple it is. You just let the screws go ahead and make the hole. That's that. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put the 2 latches on. Want to use for the 2 latches to kind of have a flare on them. That way they can actually sit recessed inside to these actual latches themselves. So use these 2 screws. Good rule of thumb is just kind of center them. You know, there's no guide holes, but you know, just go ahead and kind of center them. That way, if you turn it this way or this way, it's going to be able to open and not, you know, get stopped just by going this way and only open that way. So I just kind of center them. That way you can open them either direction. And again, just take your screw gun, let it eat.
You suck!
Just like that. One more. And that there is pretty much a 90% assembled stone crab trap. The only thing that we really have left to do is, as you can see, these work as latches now. The only thing that we really have to do is pour the concrete. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and fill this void right here. Just go to your anywhere that sells lumber. Just get a standard 1x2. You want to make sure that it's not treated. Obviously, if you get treated wood, it's not going to really do what it's designed for and rot away to allow this hole to actually open up for, you know, any of the sea life to actually escape. So just take your piece. This is about 6 inches long. We literally just took a 1x2 and cut it 6 inches long. Set it in there. Take two of the screws that are supplied. You can reach it from the back side with your screw gun. They go direct from the back side. There. That's one in. We're going to go ahead and finish and put the second one in. All right, time for concrete. All right, guys, we went ahead and got all of these traps concreted up. What you want to do is, I would suggest making sure that you get 50 pounds, at least 2 50-pound bags for your 5 traps. So about 100 pounds of concrete for 5 traps. We went ahead and did 10 traps today. It actually took us 4 50-pound bags of Quikrete. I would definitely recommend you just to get the fast setting concrete. You know, this first one that we already set is already pretty much hard. Let it sit, you know, 6 to 8 hours before you go ahead and get them wet. I'm just gonna leave these overnight, and then other than that, these things are pretty much ready for the water. So again, if you liked anything you saw in this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and please subscribe for more videos like this to help you catch more fish and be a better angler. See ya.